And went weather aware for tonight, overnight into Sunday, and throughout the day Sunday as well. Flood potential is the main concern as we go throughout the next couple of days at least. That flood watch has been extended all the way through Monday at 2 o'clock in the morning, might even be extended further. Now here's what to know. We are expecting waves of heavy rain and storms, one actually going on right now. I'll show that to you in just a minute. Tomorrow morning could see some more rain, tomorrow afternoon, and even Sunday night. Flash flooding the main concern. Isolated significant flooding will be a possibility as well, and a low risk for damaging winds as we go throughout the next couple of days too. Timing things out, rain chances pretty likely tonight after midnight, going up a little bit towards daybreak, and tonight we could be seeing some of that flooding being realized. Here is a look in downtown Knoxville. Looking north, might be able to see some lightning. There is a batch of some storms making its way through. 79 in Knoxville. The wind is light out of the south-southwest, so the front hasn't moved through yet. There is a slowly moving cold front making its way through. Rain kind of riding along that front on a west to east track, and zoomed in north of I-40, we're seeing a large area of some moderate to locally heavy showers and some frequent lightning too with that batch. Even a stronger storm making its way into portions of looks like Jefferson and Granger County. If you live in these areas, you will be impacted by some gusty winds, by some lightning, and by some heavy rain, and flood potential will be there as well. As we zoom out, the areas that had the flooding last night were Cock County, Greene County, and as you can see, these storms sadly could be a near miss, but it could, dip south and impact Cock and Greene County too. And it's not just this batch. Even if this batch does miss those sections, we have more rain tonight and more rain tomorrow. Already seeing a few showers popping up in Greene County and even a few local downpours too. Widespread view south of I-40, mainly quiet. A downpour firing up just west of Knox County. So if you live in Knoxville, could be seeing some rain here next half hour or so. Here's a computer model showing what we could potentially expect. Here's 1 o'clock in the morning. It shows some heavy rain, mainly north of I-40. And then it shows some rain. Hopefully this does not happen. This shows some heavy rain across the higher terrain of the Smokies, so Cock and Greene County. If that happens, there could be some more considerable flooding in those spots heading into early Sunday morning. And then going throughout the day Sunday, can't rule out some more chances for rain. So it could be pretty active for some going throughout the next few days, because even Sunday nights, holding on to this medium risk for that flooding. Forecast will begin to dry out by Monday night into Tuesday, but until then, here's another model showing you Sunday afternoon, showing some spotty downpours, and these could cause flooding as well, maybe some damaging wind potential. Another round Sunday night, so we still have to stay weather aware as we go throughout the whole day tomorrow too, with multiple rounds of rain on top of each other just adding up. That's why this flood potential is so high for us. Along with damaging winds, could see some of that. Not too worried about tornadoes, not that kind of environment for the hail either. Mainly flooding and mainly that low-end damaging wind threats. Rain chances kind of linger into Tuesday, because here's why. We have this cold front slowly sagging southward, and even though it's south of us by Monday, we're still close enough to have a little bit of rain left over Monday, maybe even Tuesday in far southern sections. But after that, that's when we should see some drier weather settling in, kind of looking ahead Wednesday and Thursday. It looks dry and a lot hotter. Temperatures back in the upper 80s to near 90. Pretty seasonable for this time of year. But until then, we are weather aware as we stay unsettled. Scattered rain Monday, and then Tuesday, slight chance mainly south. Beyond that, Wednesday and Thursday looking mainly dry. Temperatures getting pretty hot, back in the 90s Thursday. Next weekend, it looks like maybe a slight chance, but I don't know about you. I'll take the heat and dry weather over all this rain.
Absolutely. I feel like not long ago, though, we were saying we would not like the heat, and now I want it back.
Yeah, we'll be keeping a close eye on it. If we see flood warnings, we will let you know.
Absolutely. And coming up,